Right people, let's have a look how to add USDC BEP20 and BNB to your SafePal wallet. So you have chosen create new wallet and you enter your PIN. Now you're going to press create new wallet. Just remember to back up manually by writing it down your 12 words with a pen. So you're going to choose backup now, and then you're going to do that backup manually, and you're going to select these three statements and you press understood. Right, then you're going to enter your PIN again. So I'll continue after this, and then because you won't be able to see the 12 words anyways. When you enter your PIN, you get 12 words that you need to write down. Make sure you write them down put them in a safe place. It doesn't lie around. Don't take photos of it. Don't store it online or on your laptop or on your phone. And then I'll continue again after that. Okay, so now you've backed it up already, and now you will get these coins. They will all be here. You do not need all of them, so you're going to press on manage coins. The only one that you're going to leave here is the yellow BNB BEP20. You're going to remove the rest. Then you're going to type in here at the top USDC. Right, you just type in USDC, and then it's this yellow one. It must be a blue icon with the yellow one that indicates BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain, and you press on the plus. So there it's blue or that purple color. You'll know it's added, and you press back. You'll see it's there. That is exactly how it looks like. These other coins you do not need. You can always add them later by you add a coin by just pressing it and then add coin depending on which coin it is. Right, so that is how you add them, and then you go back there. That is what it looks like. So this you need about 0.001 BNB, that is literally $60 or about 10 Rand in South Africa for transaction fees. The transaction fees are very low, and then you need to add USDC. You're going to press on USDC, you're going to press on receive, and then you can copy it, or if you have USDC in other wallets you can use this function, deposit from another wallet. Right, you can also swap USDT for USDC very easily. You will just press on USDC and then press on the swap option there, and that will you obviously you have to add USDT, and then you'll select at the top, because then it will appear here. Let's just see to show you. Let's say you've got USDT BEP20. Now you're going to swap that for USDC BEP20, and that's very easy actually. You're just going to press on max. Obviously there's nothing in there, it won't swap now, and then you're just going to confirm it when this swap tab is blue or purple. Alright, that is basically how you do it, and then you're going to have enough funds, minimum $5. You decide each position needs its own wallet. Right, so that is what you need. BNB on the Binance Smart Chain or BEP20. Do not get confused between BEP20 and OPBNB. It's the yellow icon and the yellow icon on the blue USDT icon. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.